Hello students, today in this lecture we will continue the last topic, that is transformation, but we have to done the transformational method in last lecture, which is a indirect method of the gene transfer, to which is used for to make the hybrid copy, recombinant copy and the transgenic plant with the help of the insertion of the foreign gene transfer. But in this lecture we will discuss about the significance of transgenesis in plant, but the term is used for only plant. But in case of animal, the term will be changed but the procedure will be same. The term is the transfiction in case of animal and transformation or transgenesis in case of plants. So let me start. Now the significances of transgenesis in plants, that is, we will study about that the how the genetic engineering role play, how the genetic engineering protect the plant from the bacterial, viral, fungal, insecticide, pesticide and all disease. So first of all, the herbicide resistance. Herbicide resistance, that is, in this these herbicide act as inhibitor of photosynthesis or inhibitor of the biosynthesis of essential amino acid. As like that, in case of the inhibitor of the photosynthesis, the specific inhibitor like atrazine and bromoxylene both act as inhibitor, both stop the promoting cells. And next is the inhibitor of biosynthesis of the essential amino acid, for example phosphotrypsin. These three inhibitor stop the cells to further produce, to further regenerate. So in such cases there are need of the resistant herbicide which can be generated by transfer of the specific gene transfer. So these inhibitors activity can be stopped by transferring the specific gene. For example, to resistance of the bromoxylene is developed by transferring gene, that is BXN gene. The activity of the bromoxylene inhibitor can be stopped by transferring the specific gene, that is the BXN gene. And this BXN gene obtained from the Klebsiella pneumonia. This is a gram-negative bacteria, rod-shaped bacteria, and also is a non-motile. So as like the herbicide, in case of specific like the bacterial, insecticidal, viral, pest and all, specific genes are can role play to resist the plant and to protect the plant and to stop the inhibiting power in the transgenic plant. Second is the insect resistant. There are number of insect resistant transgenic plants have been produced by the transferring specific gene, that is crygene, and this crygene is obtained from the Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. Also said that in short BT. These crygenes produces the crystalline protein, and in short we can also say that that is cryproteins, and these all cryproteins have the insecticidal properties. So there are different type of the cryproteins and crygenes are produced, like that cry1, cry2, cry3 and all these genes kill the insect pest and prevent resistant the plants from the insect. A number of transgenic Bt crop plants are produced by transferring these genes, that is crygenes, and all producing the plants are insect resistance. Some Bt crops like the tobacco, tomato, cotton, etc. Tobacco is the Nicotiana, tomato is the Lycopersicum esculentum, and cotton is the Gossypium. As like the herbicide and insect, third is the virus resistant. In this, like the insect, crygene are important. Crygene like act as a transgene which protect the transgenic plant from the insect. Virus resistant, CP protein या फिर CP gene. CP is the coat protein or coat genes help to resistant the plants. So the number of virus resistant transgenic crop plants are produced by transferring the CP genes. Clear, CP is the cod protein, and the first virus resistant transgenic plant was tobacco, which is produced in 1986 by transferring the CP gene, and this plant contain the coat protein gene of the TMV strain U. TMV is the tobacco mosaic virus. Next is the fourth, bacterial and fungal resistant. As like all virus, insect, herbicide, same several bacterial and fungal resistant transgenic crops plants are produced by some specific enzymes, specific genes, and specific protein also. Next is the most important significance is the production of golden rice. Golden rice, these are the transgenic rice also. Golden rice is the transgenic rice which are produced by with the help of technique, that is genetic engineering. The golden rice contain the good quantity of beta carotene in their grains, and these presence of the beta carotene give the golden color to the rice grains. So these golden rice has been produced by transferring the three transgenes and provided four enzymes with the help of agrobacterium. Agrobacterium is also a gram-negative soil parasite bacteria. And these four producing enzymes like the phytotin synthase, phytotin desaturase, beta carotene desaturase, and lycopene cyclase, etc. Important thing is that the golden rice, like the golden rice, some high iron rice has produced by transferring the three specific transgenes. Like for the production of the golden rice, there are three transgene are transferred with the help of the four specific enzymes. These all, so same as for producing the high iron rice, three transgenes are formed like that ki ferritin coding gene, metallothionein gene, and phytase encoding gene. This phytase encoding gene is a thermostable gene. Next is the like the herbicide resistant, virus resistant, bacterial and fungal resistance. uh, Next is the insect resistance and production of the golden rice, high iron producing variety of the rice, like same as like that all. So next is the drought resistance, production of the recombinant protein vaccines, and improvement of the protein quality and quantity also. In these alls, also specific enzyme and specific transgenes are role play to producing the specific transgenic plant, and to help the transgenic plant from any like that key draft escapers, and to inhibit the activity of the draft. So same as like that ki transgenesis, in case of the transfection, some important significances are also like that. In case of the transfection in animals, the numerous transferred cell may be used for a variety of purposes. Like that, these transfected cells, these transfection cells also role play in case of the animals to protect the transgenic animals from the any undesirable disease and all. लाइक दैट कि फर्स्टली किस किस में हेल्प करते हैं, जो ट्रांसफेक्टेड सेल्स होती हैं वो बहुत सारे पर्पसेस के लिए हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. फर्स्टली किसके लिए, इंक्रीज द ग्रोथ ऑफ द लाइव स्टॉक एंड द फिशेस और लाइव स्टॉक्स की जो ग्रोथ होती है उसको इंक्रीज करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जो ट्रांसफेक्टेड सेल है उनको यूज़ करते हैं. सेकेंड क्या है, किसके लिए करते हैं, फॉर इंक्रीज एंड इम्प्रूव दी वुल क्वांटिटी या फिर वुल प्रोडक्शन इन दी शिप में जो वुल की प्रोडक्शन होती है, जो हम वुल कहाँ से ऑब्टेन करते हैं, शिप से ऑब्टेन करते हैं, तो उनकी जो जो क्वालिटी है उसको इम्प्रूव करते हैं. जो ट्रांसफेक्टेड सेल्स हैं उनकी जो क्वांटिटी है उसको इंक्रीज करती हैं. तो सेम लाइक एज दैट दीज ट्रांसफेक्टेड सेल also increase the nowadays molecular farming, and also used for the cultured mammalian cell. In these mammalian cells, these mammalian cell use for the detection of the cancer gene that is the oncogene, and their gene therapy. The transfected cells also used to culture the mammalian cell, and these mammalian cell further used to detect the cancer gene that is oncogene, and also used for the gene therapy in the mammals.